In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an admin team member from Zoho CRM. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to Zoho CRM with an account that has super admin rights, or at least the level of permission required to delete users. If you're not sure whether your account has those permissions, you may want to double-check with whoever manages your CRM because without the right access, you won't see the options we're about to use. Once you're logged in and on your Zoho CRM dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This is the setup area, where all your configuration options live. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the setup page. Inside setup, you'll see a number of different sections. What you're looking for is the user management area. Depending on your layout, this is usually under the general section, labeled as users. Click on users to open the list of everyone who has access to your Zoho CRM. You should now see a list of all active users, including admins. Scroll through the list or use the search bar if you have a lot of users and find the specific admin you want to remove. Once you've located them, hover your mouse over their name. When you do that, a small settings or gear icon should appear next to their name. Click on that icon to open the user-specific options. From this menu, look for the option that says Delete this user. Click on that to start the deletion process. Zoho CRM will not immediately delete the user. Instead, it will present you with choices about what to do with their data. At this point, you'll see two main options. The first is to delete without transfer. This means the user and their associated data will be permanently removed. This is a very strong action, and it's generally only appropriate if you are sure that none of their records or assignments are needed anymore. The second option is to transfer now. With this option, you select another active user from the drop-down list, and Zoho CRM will transfer ownership of the departing admin's records, assignments, and any criteria linked to them to that new user. This is usually the safer, more common choice when someone is leaving your organization or changing roles. Once you've chosen the option that best fits your situation and, if needed, selected the new owner, read through the confirmation message carefully. Zoho will outline the consequences of this action. When you are completely sure, click the delete button in the confirmation pop-up. After that, the admin team member will be successfully removed from your Zoho CRM.